Hi, I'm Ben of Silverbush Physical Therapy. Let's talk about using foam rollers. So they often come in this size and this size. I like this one, but we'll talk about that another time. Before I get into all the benefits of using foam rollers, let's talk about contraindications or reasons that people should absolutely not use them, and precautions. Situations where people can use them at times or in certain ways, but should consult with their physical therapist. Maybe that's me. So contraindications to using them would be anyone that has bone fractures or open wounds. Also any area that has impaired sensation. You can have impaired sensation with conditions like sciatica or peripheral neuropathy or even something like diabetes. Some precautions include areas of the body that have some inflammation, people that have DVTs, people that have myositis ossificans, which is a condition where there's actually some bone in the soft tissue or muscle, osteomyelitis, where there's some inflammation around the bone, and osteoporosis, where there's reduced bone density. Now, when we're foam rolling, we're not rolling on top of the bones. That could cause inflammation and bone bruises. We're rolling on the muscles, but we're often pushing on muscles towards the bones, so we do want to be properly careful about that. Some benefits to using foam roll. First and foremost, pain reduction. They're excellent for reducing pain, for improving range of motion and overall flexibility. And also for helping local circulation. When you're foam rolling, you're heating up an area, and that's bringing more oxygen to the area. So let's also talk about, are we going to use the foam roll before a workout, during a workout, after a workout? So there has been some research on this. Using the foam roll, as I mentioned, does improve circulation a bit, so some rolling before a workout can be warranted. However, if you're doing a strengthening program, it doesn't show that it significantly will improve any strengthening that you're doing that particular day. Similarly, if you're foam rolling during a workout, like you do a strengthening exercise and then you try to foam roll some muscles that you've just used or their counterpart, that doesn't seem to help your strength lifting that day. Actually, in some cases, it even makes it worse. And then there's after workouts. Now, after workouts, the evidence shows us there's more benefit, and that makes sense to me beyond that, because I know that if people have a more normal range of motion, they're not strengthening a limited range. They're not strengthening a limitation. So those are some benefits of foam rolling. Thanks for watching, and in future videos I will demonstrate multiple ways to use foam rolls.